So these Bluhilde beans, they're overgrown. They should have been transplanted a few days back, but unfortunately the weather condition where I wanted to plant them are not ideal yet, and the previous transplants, they've been wiped out by the floods. So I just want to wait a few days. I don't want these to go and another flood come in or heavy rain which takes them out. Anyway, the land is so saturated I can't work there at the moment, so I need to wait a little. But as I said, that they should have been transplanted way before. So what I'm doing here is planting them along this wall. I'm gonna put a net there, let them climb up, so at least I have some seed for the next year. This is on the 1st of September that I'm doing this.